Hey guys, I am back for the next video. I haven't bought a texturizer in like 6-7 years, and I want my hair to have like a loose curl and stuff. I bought MAZURI, what the heck, MAZURI texturizer. I did research about texturizer. From my knowledge, it says that is not as damaging as a perm, and the chemical is not lasting, so after a while it would just go away, and it softens your hair. Your curls stay the same, but the only thing that might happen is that it will get softer and you have more defined curls, as I've seen. So this is the full product that's inside the box. Guys, I look so mashed up. I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm doing, guys, honestly. It said to go 1 meter from the roots, but my hair is short, okay? Which part is 1 meter? I'm doing the top bit as well because the top bit is more coarser than the back of my hair. Back of my hair is soft. And the middle of my hair just like, whoa. Feels like barbed wires. They said to comb it with a wet tooth comb, not a fine tooth comb. So I'll see you guys in 30 minutes then. I'm gonna eat and then get back to you shortly. This is how my hair is right now. I just combed it out. At least my curls are still intact. As you can see, it's not straight, so that is good because I don't want my hair to be straight. No. So I'm going to wash it out now and show you guys the results. I see you guys in a bit. I hope the lighting is okay for you guys because literally I'm not using the ring light. I'm using a small one because you can see what I'm saying. So basically, guys, I came back from washing my hair, and I kid you not, when I was washing it, it felt like my hair was straight, and I was like, oh my gosh, I hope it's not straight. But when I came out of the bathroom and I looked in the mirror, I was like, my hair is still there. My hair is still there. So I'm happy about that because I was literally worried. I was like, I hope it's not straight. I was freaking out. But one thing is that it is soft. It's very soft, like, and I'm surprised, like, the curls are still there. I thought, I don't know, like, I mean, like, the fro is still there. Like, I thought there'd be some sort of like differences with the hair type, but no. But it's weird. I don't think it made a difference, really. I don't know yet because I haven't styled it to see. So anyways, I'm going to use this now. The number 4, the curl softening lotion that I showed you guys. And apply it throughout my hair. I literally was hoping for like a 3C hair. But that was not the case. I don't know how my hair is gonna be like yet. Guys, I'm back on the camera again because I'm shook, okay? I'm shook. So it done in my hair super duper soft. Doing this, so like normally I slick back my hair, right? And normally my hair would curl up back. It wouldn't stay like this at all without me having to tie it down with this the next day, and it only will last a day, and then after 2 days it's gone back to curl up stage. Like, I'm telling you, like, what? I use the cream that it came with, the curl softening, but I also use like my own leave-in creams just to moisturize my hair, and then I apply the Eco Styling Gel, the olive oil one, to kind of to like mold it and stuff and define it. But as I was doing it, I was like I use too much products in my hair, because normally I use that much products in my hair, but even more previously before my hair was texturized. Hey guys, you guys are back from watching that video. I hope you guys liked it, because I seen a big gas in that video. I was like, guys, my hair is soft. Like, I mean, like, yeah, it's soft like at that moment, but I think like the next day I feel like my hair is still the same. There's no changes at all. Personally, I feel like my hair is all the same. I mean, like, the only credit I could give it is just like probably like my hair is soft. Like, it's just like a little bit, tiny bit softer than usual. I feel like my curl patterns are literally the same. Nothing has changed, and it's like I waste my money. But anyhow, like, I thought let me just video it for you guys so you guys know how it might turn out. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.